How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Got our monthly Petrolbox in, so without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, well, before we dive too far into the Petrolbox mystery box, I wanted to make y'all aware again of the Fast Cars Matter hats that I have for sale. And if you're not familiar with Fast Cars Matter, you can go check them out on Instagram, Fast Cars Matter USA. But I'm going to attach a contest to this video for Christmas. All you have to do to enter this contest is share this video out, or any of or your favorite online car show video, to hashtag OnlineCarShow. All right, well, the rules of this contest are as follows. The first person to share this video will get a sticker, a Fast Cars Matter sticker, a Fast Cars Matter patch, and a hat of their choosing, which I'm going to show a shot in here of all the hats that are available. The second person will get a Fast Cars Matter patch, Fast Cars Matter sticker, and a hat of their choosing as well, after the first person has chosen, of course. And for the third person to get the contest, I am going to pick that person randomly out of the rest of the people that share, and they will get a, let's see, if I don't think I have any more patches, but they will get the random person will get a Fast Cars Matter sticker, a Big Trucks Matter sticker, and a hat of their choosing after the first two have chosen theirs. So that's the contest rules attached. Here's a shot, I guess, of the individual hats. I've got the tan and blue trucker style, or not trucker, but the beat up style. I've got a black and gray with the weave back. I guess that's just the standard ball style, or ball cap style. I've got a trucker hat version with the weave back, red and black. I've got a black and gray beat up style. I've got a black and gray the other direction beat up style. Fast Cars Matter beat up style tan and blue. A trucker style blue with dark blue and white. A black and gray beat up style, and another red and black trucker style. So let me know, those that do win the contest, which hats you want from that selection. And I will be sure to also, check your post and so forth on Christmas Day. Those that have entered the contest, I will get in touch with you through your post and reply to it. Now to get back to the Petrolbox, I can't wait to open this bad boy up. As y'all know, there's a chance, if you have a golden ticket in your Petrolbox, to get a free set of wheels for your car. Now, Petrolbox is a monthly car enthusiast box. We're going to be opening their premium box today. They also have a standard box that's a little bit cheaper in price. So let's go ahead and get her unboxed and see what we got. All right, well, this is the monthly Petrolbox for December. Let's see what we got in the box. As I mentioned, there could be a golden ticket and get a free set of wheels. Let's see what happens. Nope, not this month, but we'll try again. Oh, cool, they put a little Christmas logo thing on here. This is as usual, you're greeted with a special thank you for your support from Petrolbox, and their signatures with the contents of the box in here, the companies and so forth, and of course the rule for the golden ticket. All right, immediately greeted with another microfiber. I go through at least one of these a month, so it's always good to keep fresh ones coming in so you're not using old ones that could potentially scratch your vehicle. I'm guessing, yep, this is from the Rag Company. It's an edgeless 365 microfiber. Very nice. Always use those. And let's see what we got here. Jack's Wax Spray and Seal. Jack's Wax Spray and Seal is an easy to use, extremely durable resin and carnauba-based liquid paint sealant. Spray and seal can be resprayed on a dry clean surface to act as a base layer of protection that will easily protect your vehicle for 3 to 6 months. Okay, so it's a paint sealer, very nice. Hybrid polymer technology. And it's got a little spray for it. As y'all know, I'm sponsored by Rev Auto. I really would like to see their products in the box. This is really cool. The next item I picked up was a little Ziploc baggie in here, and it looks like it's got a Christmas ornament in it. Yep, it's a Christmas ornament from Petrolbox 2018. Looks like a Porsche 911 there. Really cool. I love that. Nice touch, Petrolbox. That's going to go on my Christmas tree. And let's see what else we got here. I'm not sure what this is. There's stuff in it, but it says a socket base, tools that mean business. Let's read about this. This is a magnetic socket base holder, is made from ABS plastic and is such a compact and convenient way to store or organize your sockets. Hold up to 14 sockets, metrics or SAE. So this will work with imperial or metric sockets. It looks like you place it in here, it's magnetic. This way you can easily get to your sockets and organize them and so forth while you're working on the vehicle. That'll definitely help. I may actually give this to a family member that's becoming a mechanic right now, and I think he will love this. They always have the coolest little useful gadgets, and some of them I use all the time. One of them is a little, don't see it in front of me right now, but a magnetic nut and bolt holder for when you're working on the car, and that little thing has come in so handy. Thank you, Petrolbox. This is a really cool little tool. And then we've got the Petrolbox Subscriber of the Month. Very cool. It's a Jeep. My wife loves Jeeps. She will definitely love this one, and it'll go up my refrigerator in the garage with the rest of them. We've got a Subscriber of the Month, Anthony Gleniak. Sorry if I'm messing up your name, Anthony. December 2018. Very nice Jeep, buddy. Let's see here. And then one more thing in here. It looks like, oh, there's a candy cane, but it came out. That's what was in this. But there is a candy cane in here they tried to pack. Looked like that one exploded. Probably just UPS has been throwing everything around. I'm sure it was probably due to them. December with UPS, it's kind of shady about your packages. Looks like we're greeted with a shirt and a bag here from Automotive Supply Lowered Lifestyle Wheel Dissection Shirt. Interesting. Can't wait to see what this is. Thankfully they have it in a bag though, so that candy cane did not get on my shirt at all. And it didn't get on anything that may be what was little pieces on the microfiber, so I may need to wash that microfiber. But other than that, no big deal. Let's see. Whoop. Very cool. It's got 2 bolts on the front. I guess those are like head bolts. Or no, they're wheel bolts. Very cool. And then a BBS wheel on the back that's like taken apart all the different sections of the wheel. It says Lowered Lifestyle. Very cool shirt. I love that. Very nice. So let's see what we got this month. And just to make sure don't get candy cane everywhere, we're going to do this. So the candy was a candy cane, but unfortunately I think box got thrown around and got damaged. But we've got the shirt from Lowered Lifestyle. We've got the socket base magnetic tool holder. Got the Subscriber of the Month, Anthony with his Jeep. Got the very cool Petrolbox Christmas ornament. And we've got the Jack's Wax Spray and Seal with spray attachment, nozzle, whatever. And then we've got, of course, the Rag Company and their Edgeless 365 microfiber. Very nice month. Again, Petrolbox, they always switch it up. Add these. This right here is really cool little touch, and the ornament, of course, will definitely go on my tree. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. To be entered in the Fast Cars Matter contest, be sure to share your favorite online car show video to hashtag OnlineCarShow, either Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, to be entered in the contest. And we've got a bunch of really cool stuff coming up. I've got a box here next to me from BMR Suspension. I'm expecting 3 more boxes from them. Some suspension goodies coming on the car. We've got a wheel and tire package coming from Auto Empire Houston. Some Mickey Thompsons and Dark Stars. A lot of cool stuff coming for the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Hope everyone has a safe and happy holiday season, and y'all have a great week.